Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with cumbersome cleaning devices that weigh you down and restrict your movement? The BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Cordless Handheld vacuum is here to change that. This portable and rechargeable vacuum is designed to tackle messes big and small with ease. As the #1 brand in hand vacuums, it's no surprise that this product is well reviewed and a popular choice among many customers. With its high-powered suction, you can banish dirt and debris with ease, feeling the satisfying pull of the vacuum as it glides across different surfaces. The Cordless Convenience allows you to use it around your home or in your car, giving you the freedom to clean wherever and whenever you want. The multi-surface versatility is also a major plus, allowing you to clean up small crumbs in the kitchen, pet hair on furniture, and dirt covering high-traffic areas with the same device. The Crevice Tool is another standout feature, allowing you to reach into tight areas like couch cushions or tops of shelves with ease, the sound of the suction changing as you navigate different textures and spaces. This product is better than others because it's lightweight and easy to set up, making it perfect for quick cleanups or deeper cleans. Whether you're cleaning up after a messy meal or doing a deep dive into your car's interior, this vacuum is up to the task. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Cordless Handheld vacuum is a game-changer for anyone looking to make cleaning easier and more convenient. Its powerful suction, cordless design, and versatile features make it an essential tool for any cleaning arsenal. So why not give it a try and experience the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.